Good afternoon. ¿Cómo te es? Right? Once again, nombre es Michaelle Solages, and I am the New York State Assemblywoman of the 22nd Assembly District, which encompasses Elmont, Valley Stream, Franklin Square, Floral Park. It's truly an honor to be with you here today. Not only am I Haitian American, born here, but I'm also the first elected Haitian person in New York State government. Thank you. I'm not alone anymore. We actually elected two other dynamic women, go women, in state government. And so together now we have a Haitian American voice in New York State. Isn't that amazing? And so first I want to thank the National Association of Haitian Professionals for galvanizing all our resources and bringing us together here. It's so important that we communicate, collaborate, empower, and engage everyone in this conversation about our beautiful country, Haiti. Whether you're born here or born there, it's a top priority to make sure that our beautiful island grows and becomes really an economic power by the year 2030. Isn't that amazing? That's amazing to me. And so a little statistic here is that immigrants from Haiti were more likely to be U.S. citizens than any other U.S. foreign-born population overall. And that was by 50%. That's amazing to myself. 50% of Haitians want to become American citizens. There's another statistic that says that Haitian Americans are more likely to buy a home, more likely to build a business and invest in our community. That shows you because the Haitian blood is amazing, right? We're the first in everything, right? And so it's so important that we engage the diaspora because human capital should be our top priority to engage. And in New York State, we're making sure that we're doing that because we truly believe that the fundamental role of government should be to develop countries and economies because economies is what keeps everything running. It creates jobs and creates communities. And so, it was great that the minister said that Haiti is open for business. New York is also open for business, right? Sorry, Massachusetts. And so I actually had the unique opportunity to work with our governor, Andrew Cuomo, and we're actually doing a new initiative called Global New York. I don't know if you've heard of this. We just had a conference the other day. And with Global New York, we're actually going to start our $35 million Global New York Development Fund, in which we're going to start building and doing businesses with countries. So we're starting off with 5 countries. We're doing China, Israel, India, what else? I'm trying to remember. Well, no, people are getting, not Brazil. Let me see. Sorry, Mexico, Canada, Italy, China, and Israel. I'm actually on the task force, and I'm going to Israel in about 2 weeks to look at industry, technology, and how we can build that bridge. Once we build with those 5 countries, because those are major countries, we're going to start engaging other countries. And I'm going to make it a top priority to make sure that Haiti is on that list. With another $25 million lending program, we're going to make sure that manufacturing in Haiti, like the major prosthetics factory, is developed and that we bring that link to New York and making sure that we build business, which is amazing. We're also trying to build a $10 million grant fund in which we provide $25,000 small and medium-sized firms to develop and expand their export capacity. This is a great initiative, and we're starting it in New York, but we hope to expand to other states because we need to build. We live in a global society. We could all agree, right? We could touch people right here in this room from all around the world. So we need to make sure that we bring Haiti into this conversation. And the best way to do that is what we're doing right now, is engaging each other in conversation and seeing how we can bring everyone else. And so, I thank everyone for coming here today. I believe that engagement is a stool with 3 legs. We first have to engage our foreign-born individuals, our first generation like me, and then also our second generation. We can't forget about our second generation. And, our media portrays our country in such a negative way that we have to keep reminding them that Haiti is a beautiful country. Everyone's been to Basse Bleu, right? you talk to a second-generation Haitian, they might not understand what that is. So we must change the conversation. And we must show them that Haiti is open for business, Haiti's open for travel, and Haiti's open to engaging. And so I thank everyone here today. Once again, really, it's a pleasure to address the community. And you know, my parents always taught me, don't come empty-handed. And so I brought a citation from the state of New York thanking the association for holding this conference. So is a co-chair available to accept this award? You know, on behalf, Serge, go ahead. And on behalf of the state of New York and the constituents of the 22nd Assembly District, I thank you for everyone being a part of this, and this is everyone's citation. Thank you once again.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.